So yummy.
Good morning. I have a cold. I'm probably gonna do nothing today, or maybe stream. I don't know. I just wanna be a potato. Hello. I gotta go to IKEA to organize my art station, or else it's just never gonna be organized. I just have a bunch of stuff all over the top of the desk, so I need to organize that. I'm dying, I'm on my period, but at least my eczema is clearing up. Yeah, I don't know. See you guys later. I'm in the marketplace and barely anyone's wearing a mask. Hello. So I ended up just getting a shelf and something for my pegboard. I'm probably gonna go to Target or something. I need to find like organizers. My cramps are so bad right now. Holy shit. I'm gonna go home and organize stuff and then play Lost Ark and maybe eat Korean corn dog. I have way too many Pokemon cards. This isn't even all of it. Organized most of my art station. I still have more to organize in my room. Yeah, don't look at that. Do you ever just... Ah!
My life right now, dude. As a millennial. What? Fucking...
My hair broke off right here.
Your hair... What?
Look!
It broke?
It broke off.
The fuck?
That's what I get for dyeing my hair.
How dare you do something with your hair? Bro, look. We just go to Yard House and we just get fucking lit at like 2 p.m.
Who's gonna drive home?
That's fine. We'll figure it
God.
out. Oh my god. This is what my dad goes through with my mom. Alright, then yeah. Alright, I'll see you later. Oh, really?
I'm leaving.
49. 59.
Did you even get it?
No.
Are you gonna help or are you gonna sit there and film? You fucking...
9.99.
You know, Fortnite dance while I'm fucking doing shit.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
I'll L dance right now in the middle of the Costco.
I'll leave you.
You can't leave, I have the keys.
I'll take the keys. Don't fucking touch.
Oh my god, the lighting is horrible, but I just got home and I didn't vlog much when we went out today. We got Chinese food afterwards, and then now I'm home playing Lost Ark and doing nothing. But tomorrow I might go to the antique mall. Hello, I'm going to the antique mall with some friends. We're gonna go film camera hunting. And then I don't think I'm gonna record much because I don't know, when I'm with friends I don't record much. So yeah, I'm gonna go putting my shoe on.
We're all now super excited because they've been wanting to buy out forever.
Hello, I'm back home, but I'm back with 4 film cameras. The guy at the antique store was really nice, and he's a sweet old man. He gave me 4 cameras for like a discount. The Canon, I think it's, yeah, the Canon Sure Shot. It's so pretty. Canon Sure Shot, but I got the max date. I've been wanting like the date imprint function. Oh my god. A Samsung camera with a date imprint function too. This is still really good quality. Chef's kiss. I got a Nikon. Yeah. It's really good quality. Here, I'll take a picture of you guys. I'm gonna go. Bye. See you guys next week.